In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the password on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open our Facebook app. After that, tap right here to go to menu and then tap at that gear to go to settings and privacy. Now guys, tap here to go to Meta Account Center, where you can easily find the option password and security. Now guys, we need to enter it, and on the next step at the very top you'll find change password. Here we need to choose our Facebook account in that way. After that, here first off we need to enter our current Facebook password. I'm just gonna autofill it. After that, you need to enter new password here and then re-enter it in that text field. And once you've done that, hit right here at change password. After that, you will be taken to that page where you need to confirm your email. It says here that confirmation code has just been set to my email. So now I'm gonna enter my Gmail app. Here we can easily find this Facebook email. Here is our OTP code. I guess I can copy it in that way. And after that, we need to just paste it here. And then I need to hit add continue to confirm the changing of my password. After a couple of seconds, my password will be changed. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.